Ever wondered why a sweet piece of chocolate or the anticipation of a weekend getaway gives you a rush of happiness? You can thank a substance called dopamine for that. Dopamine, a type of neurotransmitter, is your brain's way of patting you on the back. It's part of your body's reward system, acting like a messenger, sending signals between nerve cells in your brain. Think of it as your brain's happy courier, delivering little parcels of joy whenever you do something your brain approves of. It has a significant role in regulating our mood, motivation, and sense of pleasure. For instance, when you conquer a challenging workout or savor your favorite meal, dopamine is released, giving you that feel-good sensation. In essence, dopamine helps us strive, focus, and find things interesting. It's not just about how much pleasure we experience, but also how it influences our emotions and behaviors. Thus, dopamine plays a crucial role in how we feel pleasure. It's not just about how much we experience, but also how it influences our emotions and behaviors. Now that we understand what dopamine is, let's put this knowledge into action. Dopamine is at the heart of many of our everyday activities. When we engage in physical exercise, for instance, our bodies respond by releasing dopamine. This gives us that euphoric runner's high that keeps us coming back for more. Eating is another activity where dopamine takes center stage. It's the reason why that first bite of your favorite meal can feel so incredibly satisfying. Dopamine rewards us for nourishing our bodies, making the experience of eating a pleasurable one. We also see dopamine in action when we achieve our goals. Whether it's acing a test, landing a new job, or even just crossing off items on our to-do list, the sense of accomplishment we feel is fueled by a release of dopamine. So whether it's finishing a challenging workout or savoring a delicious meal, dopamine is there, rewarding us and motivating us to repeat these beneficial behaviors. We've learned what dopamine is and how it works. Now, how can we use this knowledge to better our mental health? Well, there are several ways to boost our dopamine levels naturally. First, regular physical activity is a great way to stimulate dopamine production. It doesn't have to be a marathon or a grueling gym session. Simply moving your body, whether it's a brisk walk, dancing, or yoga, can do the trick. Next, a balanced diet plays a crucial role. Foods rich in tyrosine, the building blocks of dopamine like almonds, bananas, avocados, and chicken, can help increase dopamine levels. Lastly, setting achievable goals and working towards them can give us a dopamine boost. It's the feeling of accomplishment when we tick off a task from our to-do list. Remember, these aren't quick fixes. It's about consistent effort and making small changes to our lifestyle. By incorporating these practices into our lives, we're not just boosting our dopamine levels, but also investing in our overall mental health. Remember, a little progress each day adds up to big results.